Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Godzilla and Snoopy as one character. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners. Let's get started. Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a combination of Snoopy and Godzilla. Let's jump into it, okay? So we're going to go over here and we're going to curve for the top of the head. Very Snoopy-like so far. And curve a little bit of a higher bump. It's going to be the back of Snoopy's head. Okay. Go to the front over here. Curve down. Pull in. So one thing you got to remember is Snoopy is deceptively hard. I don't know why, but sometimes you move little stuff about him and he'll look bizarre. But just kind of keep that in mind. So just kind of be careful. That's all I can really say, really, is be careful. Curve up over here for the ear. And we're going to do another circle inside the ear right there. And we're going to fill this in, okay? Let's kind of fill it in together. Hopefully you're having a good day. Hopefully you're chilling out, drawing. It's always a good day to draw, and like it's relaxing. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you find drawing relaxing or do you find it pressuring? Like, please let me know. I'm so curious because depending on the day, I can feel both. You know, like not at the same time, but you know, sometimes it feels pressuring, right? Because you're trying to achieve a new level, or maybe you have like a job to do, or sometimes it's not. It's like the most amazing thing, and I feel both a lot, honestly. All right, we got Snoopy's eye. So Snoopy's eye, we got to give him a little bit of personality here. We're gonna give him like down, up, because Godzilla tends to be angry. So while a little angry, we're still gonna have his little hair out here. He has his little hair sticking out. Sometimes it's like curved forward. It just depends. Go to the front of the nose. Boom. And curve right there underneath and fill that in. So we have that little highlight in. Okay. Gonna go over here and we're gonna pull from the back of his head into his very thin neck for his body type. Very, very thin neck. All right. Pulling out over here, down. Okay. Out over here, down. And then we're going to have his hand hanging by the side of his arm, right by his torso. Curve right here. Curve. Pull up. Line, line. Down. Down. Okay. Not going to draw anything in the back yet. Okay. Going to go down here to the feet. We're going to pull out. It looks like a dinner roll. It literally looks like a chunk of bread or something like that. It's bigger than you think it is. I've noticed that as well. His feet are like bigger. Like down right here. And we're going to go the other side. Pull down over here. Curve. Curve. Curve over here. All right. Let's draw some nails sticking out of this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, right there. Just to show some nails sticking out. Because he's got to have some Godzilla features as we're putting in here. All right. Smile right there. It's going to look a little bit more devious. And then we're going to throw little teeth sticking out. Dang, he looks fierce so far, right? I'm scared. All right. Let's go back here now. Out. Out right here for the tail. That Godzilla-like tail. Looks weird. I like it. And then finally, we're going to do the spikes, okay? So we're going to do a couple of smaller spikes up there. Maybe one more right here. And then it's going to come around this side, and they're never going to get that big because I think his torso is not that big. So you never really do it that big, but they get a little. They always peak around the center of the back there. I'm drawing some with 2, some with 3, but they're really simple. Don't worry about it too much. It's not that big a deal. Down, down, and then we get low. The rest of them are just one spike. Okay. If you want, let's draw the like a line right here, thin line, a thin line right there to kind of show the snake belly that some versions of Godzilla have. Dang, he's mean. I might make a sticker out of this. Don't forget, by the way, there's a sticker store we have on sketchmonsterart.com. The sticker store is up right now. All right, I like this. I like this a lot. All right, thank you so much. I want you to hit the like if you did like this, and I want you to share the video. A lot of cool ideas to kind of keep going on. The other thing is, I want you to stay here. We're going to draw another lesson together, okay? So stay with me. Let's start another lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.